This is the sixth episode of my programming series. If you haven't watched my previous 4 videos and my first platformer programming video, click on the above link to watch it. So now let's get started in our second platformer. And we're going to look at the effects. So now let's get started in our programming. So you can see this is the base for our programming, and I just added a little bit of my blocks, and I'm going to explain what my blocks is quickly. So my block is when you convert a ton of programming into just one single block. So this is a lot of programming, and I converted it in just this little red block, and that's how a my block works. So this is the base, and I've also added some when backdrops, which is to blue sky, because so we're going to have a thumbnail for our program. So now let's do the effects. To do the effects, we need some blocks from the control. So we need, when I start as a clone, create a clone of myself and delete this clone. In the previous 5 videos, you may not see these blocks, but hey, we're going to use these blocks in this episode. So this is how your programming should look like. When I start as a clone, go back layer, switch costume to 1, set size to 100, set ghost effect to 0, repeat 10 times, go to back layer, switch costume to 2, change ghost effect by 10, change size by -10, and then delete this clone. So now let's do our second set of programming. So our second set of programming will be simple. So this is our second set of programming. When click forever, create clone of myself. Wait until 0.1. And now let's check our sprite, if it makes an effect. So now let's check it. the problem is that we haven't made our ground yet. So now let's check it now. So now we can see our programming is working. And this is how it should be working like. If you want more effects of like these, then you have to change it even to a smaller number. So you just got to change this to even a smaller number, like 0.02. It will even make more effects like this. So the smaller you give to this number, the number in weight 0.02 seconds, the more clones it makes, because it's only waiting for less seconds or less than seconds. So I'm going to modify my backdrop, so it will take a few minutes. So now let's make our ground. So all we gotta do is change the outline of the ground. So now let's check our programming in full screen. So this is how it should like. So this is the effect that most of the scratches do when they do platformer. So this is how it should be like. So now let's make our levels. Before making our levels, let's make sure that the sprite doesn't go too low, like it's touching the ground or the brown bit. So now let's program our y-axis. And now you can see it's working. So I'm going to upload my very own sprite from my Scratch backpack. So I'm going to upload mine. So I have uploaded my 3 sprites. So now let's program them all. But I already programmed them before. So I'm going to quickly go through them. So for the first one, when backdrop switches to blue sky, repeat until backdrop switches to 3. So this is how it works. It changes or it rotates. So now let's go ahead and check this programming to see if it's working. But before checking this programming, I'm going to add one more block, which is go to back layer. So now let's check this one. So this is how it should be working, guys. And this is the coins. So we're going to collect coins in this game as well. now let's program our backdrops. So I'm going to add some effects to Welcome to Platformer, the first backdrop as well. So I'm going to change pixelate effect. So I'm going to show a quick trial of quick effect or pixel effect. So it's going to be like this. And also mosaic. So out of all of them, I choose change color effect. So you can change the Welcome to Platformer. So now let's watch it. So this is how it's going to be like. And I'm also going to add mural effect. Or fishy eye. So now let's see how it goes. So it's going to be like this. So now let's take a look at cloud right. So now let's quickly add our sun over in this corner. Our sun is going to be here. You can even make it a little bigger. So now let's program our clouds. So we need some variables. So this is how it should be looking like. And why not? Let's add some look effects. And now let's check. So now I can see it's working perfect. So this is the end. And I've also made it another sprite, but I didn't program it because we don't have to do it. And this is our last programming. So this is the end result. So it should be more like this. So yes, it should be like this. So all we have to do is make the sprite to collect the coin, which we already did it in the previous video, so you know how to do it. So I'm going to share this project to you all in the description and also on Scratch. So I'm going to name it Platformer. And I'm going to write B as well for beginners. So as P for programming. So I'm going to share this now. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching this video.